Hello, welcome back to BJRS Affiliates. In today's video, I will be showing you why your earnings are not showing on the total revenue dashboard. Yes, I have received many questions of people asking me why is it that their earnings are not showing on the total revenue dashboard. So this is what we are going to look into right now on this video. So if you are a Nuvia member, make sure to watch this video to the end and don't skip any part of this video so that you will not miss out, because after watching this video to the end, you will be able to track your earnings. You will understand why your earnings are not showing on the total revenue dashboard, and I will also show you where you can actually find your earnings. So before we dive in, make sure to like this video, drop your comment on the comment section, subscribe to our channel and turn on the notification bell to get notified whenever we post a video like this. And most importantly, share this video to your friends so that they will also understand why their earnings are not showing up right here. But in case you don't get it right, look at it here. This is what many people are seeing. This is what many people are seeing on their own dashboard. Their revenue is not showing like this. So this is why I'm making this video. So as a Nuvia member, it is very crucial that you understand how to track your earnings. Yes, knowing how to track your earnings is very important. Let's get started right now. So what you need to know is that Nuvia has different wallets. Nuvia has up to 4 different wallets. I'm going to show you how to track your earnings on each of those wallets and where they are linked to. So let's get started. Let's start with this particular one. You see right here we are having, okay, let me leave the total revenue now. Let me start with another this thing. If you want to switch to another wallet, you just need to click right here, click on this particular place. So when you click on it, it's going to take you to another wallet. As you can see, this one is mentorship reward. I am going to be explaining everything in full details. So let me click again. After clicking again, you can see promo reward right here. So all these are different wallets. So let's click again. You still see another wallet again, which is team reward. So these are the wallet available on Nuvia, but the remaining one wallet, the other wallet, which is the royalty estimation wallet, that wallet is for streaming. How can you find that particular wallet? You can find it by going right here. You can click here. If you click right here, then you come down here, you click on the royalty estimation. That is where to find the royalty estimation wallet, which is your streaming earnings. So let me explain these ones first. Let's start with this mentorship reward. So what is this mentorship reward? I know many people are very confused. This mentorship reward is the earning that you get when others sign up with your link. Yes, when you register others people with your link, then your earnings for that particular reward, or your reward for that particular registration, is going to come to mentorship reward. I will also explain why you are seeing different thing on mentorship reward, and also why you are seeing different amount on the total revenue. So but before that, let's move to another wallet again. Promo rewards. This particular one is called promo rewards. This promo reward is where your earnings, the earnings that you get from engaging on social media posts like TikTok, Instagram, WhatsApp and so on. So any earnings that you get from your TikTok, Instagram or Facebook like that, this is where the earnings will be. So if you are performing the Nuvia promo, you just need to come right here and switch to the promo wallet so that you can see your earnings. So let's go to another wallet again. We have team reward. So this particular place is where you are getting indirect rewards from your team. Yes, you sign it up another person using your own link, you are going to get a reward for that particular one. Then when your team also sign up another person or sign up another team, those earnings that you get are called team reward. So this is what we are having right here. Let's go to the next one. Then the total revenue, which earnings is showing right here. So this is what most of us really want to know, which of the earnings is showing in this particular place. So the earnings that you are seeing on the total revenue are two earnings, which is one, the earnings that you get from the ref fee cashback. When you click on withdraw ref fee like this, it's going to take you here. Then you click on claim. The 100 naira that you claim is going to show up on this total revenue. So any amount that you claim on the withdraw ref fee is going to show up here. Then another earnings that is going to show up here is combination of this one and this one. You see, team reward and mentorship reward. So all these earnings combined together is what you are seeing on the total revenue. Understand? So for you to track your earnings for streaming, like those people that are streaming songs, then you want to know where your earnings are. So this is what you need to do. Like I mentioned before, you click right here. So after you click, then you come down here, excuse, you come down to royalty estimation. So when you click on the royalty estimation, you are going to see today earning and you are going to see progress. So any songs that you are streaming on Nuvia, this is where you are going to see the earnings. So you are not seeing the earnings of your songs or the music stream on your dashboard, I mean on the total revenue dashboard. It has a particular wallet, which is this particular place right here. The royalty estimation wallet is a place that your streaming earnings are. So don't be confused. So for example, now if you stream songs on Apple Music, Audiomack, Boomplay, Spotify, SoundCloud or YouTube Music, if you stream any of these songs or any songs from these particular apps, this is where you are going to track their earnings. It will not show on the main total revenue dashboard. The total revenue dashboard only display earnings gotten from team reward, mentorship reward and cashback. Understand? That is why if you go to withdrawal, you are going to see that Nuvia has different withdrawal wallets, meaning that all earnings are separate. These earnings are separate, they are not together. The earnings are segmented. For example, now let's go to withdrawal portal. Let me show you something on the withdrawal portal. So if you come to withdrawal portal like this is the withdrawal portal. If you come to withdrawal portal like this, then when you click on select wallet, you are going to see this wallet right here. This particular one is for mentorship reward, like I explained on the withdrawal video. You see Nuvia promo reward, then you also see royalty reward. This royalty is for royalty estimation, which is streaming. This promo is for engaging on social media platform like TikTok, Facebook, Instagram. Mentorship reward: when someone sign up with your link, understand, this is where to click. So now let me go back again. I have one more thing to explain. So what I will love to add here is that many people also ask me questions about this particular place profile. When you go to profile, then you are going to see claim 100k when you accumulate 50 points. So many people ask me about this particular point right here. As you can see here on my account, the progress that I have here is I got 29.3 out of 50 points, and my overall percent is 58 over 100. If I have up to 100 here, then I will be able to claim this 110k. How do you earn here? How are you able to claim this money? So the only people that can claim this money are those that has, or those that have mentorship rewards. Yes, if you have mentorship rewards, as you keep accumulating your mentorship reward, your progress here will also be moving, it will be increasing, understand. All this percent will be counting. By streaming music or by doing the cashback is not going to count any points for you right here. So it's only mentorship reward that counts on this particular place. So if you found this particular video helpful, make sure to like this video, drop your comment on the comment section, subscribe to our channel, and turn on the notification bell to get notified whenever we post a video like this.